bed. And I've been representing for Pretty Girl Storm. And I say, Pretty Girl Storm. When me in a your house, me no want to live. When me in a your house, me no want to live. She lock me down on the house arrest.
With Storm. Remember, I know. Sure. That baby's gonna drop in my hand. I'm gonna stand up and look out for my grandkids. No system can take away my grandkids. Eh? And them still gonna cheer on this woman who come out her broken home, grew her kids them, waking up her children them, and said, go and burgle this person's house. Go, and go into the shop. Remember, 2010, the big riot, we're going to England, no, 2011, sorry, 2011, the big riot, we're going to England, how much place burned down, yeah? Puss take out Madonna, Mark, and herself. I was in Foot Locker. It was on the news and everything. Yeah? Puss and Omar get 2 years. Madonna just did have Orico, so they gave her community service. What kind of blood clot, mother? I go get up and wake up. I say, come, Manda, make me you go thief. You mad no blood clot. And then you sit down and talk about people's.
Come right back, people.
Yes, we are come back with the lad. Yeah, come in finish talk. Yeah. All right then, baby.
Yeah.
Rolling the people them. I like Kandy.
Yeah, man.
Me no know your phone so low, baby. Phone low.
Really?
Like you're far away.
No, my phone dropped in the water yesterday.
Oh, you put it in a rice?
No.
Should I put in some rice?
No, I'm not no time for that.
Yeah, man, a full time now. You're looking at your fucking self, man. You're a piece of shit. My family, we grow in a loving home. Me and my brother grow up. Right? I would have said, Hugo would have come and behaved the way he behaved towards his mother, towards my children. Because Hugo love me kids them. He love my children. Right? Then they are picking away, uplift Hugo's spirit. And then when him done on the internet and sit down and talk shit. Remember, when you go to prison, I only have Amanda. Marissa kids them born after him go prison. So you can't know nothing we are going in my blood clot house. You must the fucked up shit about my kids. Kill your dead. Rallying a dick Manda. Kill your blood clot dead. Nothing like that. Nothing. When me meet Rallying, Manda 9 years old. Kiara 1 years old. You understand? Fix the carpet because that little baby they won't leave. Me nice rug them for my ground. For my water bucket them we should throw away. And you get up. You me see baby with your phone. Me see her with the phone. You want to tear down my nice baby. No man no love you naturally. Him apologize to me mother, I know Miss Thompson. But you go know me. There's nothing in this world you go can say to me for make me forgive him for all I raise my kids, especially young women, right? And my kids them, me no make them fear me. Them no fear me. Big up yourself, Jojo. A long time me no see you. My kids them supposed to come to me and tell me anything what I'm to them. Right? Yes, Nurse Popsy. She take out the kids them and go thief in a the riot. And them hold them. You know, say after when them a watch the camera, remember say 3/4 of the people them. Bah, what's wrong? I try gonna walk behind her father. Yeah. Right? And you take out your penny them go thief. And you make Omar get deported. Because after Omar do him prison sentence and come out. Right? Them still did have it up. You understand? You do wrong by your kids. You mash up your kids' them life. And then you want to come and mash up people and their kids' life. Coupon you too. Some little dibby idiot, blood clot, low life. Come off the earth, puss. You know, see the type of people them were attracted to you. And you love call people. Oh, them are psychosis. And you are the blood clot psychosis. You is a mental person. You're wicked till you don't know yourself. She gone live. Me get that notification. She gone live. So she thinks me have no time for in a toe-to-toe argument with she, because of that she want. She want to divert the war from she and Love Sanders for put the comeback on me. For the talk the same. Like come with something new now, Puss. You know I've nothing new for talk about me say. You have anything new to talk about me for the new year? Nurse Patsy. She still a keep. Love Sanders a rub out her blood clot and a shit follower of them. And before she stand up and war with Love Sanders, from last night, from you go visit his mother, which me know, me say, Mom, listen out for the problem. Can somebody live like that? Puss, you have 6 blood clot pitney. You have 3 boy pitney and 3 girl pitney. And you take up the woman's son. Inject your wickedness in a him, confusion, destruction. Look on the boy. Them him give you and him clocks and him things. Where you bring for him? 1 fake blood clot Nike trainers. And 1 fake Gucci slippers where the back, the whole of it lift up. My sister-in-law say when him say, you got town, the slippers bottom are lift up. You tear down. But I with the Candy Crush saga now, you know. You tear down. You tear down the boy life. Because you see, say, we are family orientated. We are close. You understand? All of them, some of the way you go come on the internet is all lies. All make up. Because kill him dead, him go Germany. And you go do the things them where you go do. Puss you hate me because me no want a friend from you. You talk at enemy, yeah. Me a carry you got me blood clot grave. Not in this lifetime and the next life. I mean, I tell you, your time come now. More things are going to blood clot reach you. More things are going to reach your Puss. And when you, and that's if you come back to England. Because me not going to jump up and say, she get the port and whatever. Me not going to say that because me not like to talk wrong information. What the problem? It's so bad. So me not gonna say that. But in the meantime, hurry up and come back a blood clot England because the police them are wait for you. For the things them what you do to me and my kids them. You see? Your soul life fuck up. Love Sanders have your address. And I put it up and it burn you. Love Sanders your date of birth and I put it up and it paralyze you. But when you on live, I put up my address, I give my date of birth. Stop it. Pass our buckle. What is the rally? Yeah, buckle. You understand? Yeah. Of course, it's her address. It's that same fucking address. The police them go dig out a chemo. When our son, the way our Puss desperate, Puss ya hold on pan ear. Everybody is sick and tired of the still argument. You come out and you fight me for your brother cocky. Puss, I have my blood clot, man. See me and then at my bed with me. You understand? Before she cuss Love Sanders, Sasha. Before she cuss Love Sanders. And me, wait there. You just met this? Yeah? Before she cuss Love Sanders and me, she a cuss. And me, she had for go cuss the blood clot woman because you should have never bring Love Sanders on IG. You bring Love Sanders to come cuss me out. And it's sweet, I remember the day you laugh, it giggle you. When Love Sanders a cuss me. Now it's your turn. Because remember from day one, and you and Baby Lee, team up together with Love Sanders face and name, People, when those things was happening, when Baby Lee was have Love Sanders picture and face, me did pregnant and it hardly I got on Puss live. Weeks. And you Puss no say no lie, me I tell. You know, say you used to make a mockery of Love Sanders. I used to say, Love Sanders have a face only a mother can love. All right then. You turn round because you cannot cuss. All you can talk about is children underneath. You go for Love Sanders for cuss me, Remember, I don't know this woman. When Love Sanders come for your life and cuss me, Love Sanders, why you cussing me? Why were you cussing me? Oh, you're reaching at me and Puss argument. I never know. You understand? But you're reaching there. But you know what? Love Sanders blood clot play you like a fiddle. And it burn you. And it burn you, she blood clot. Me no like the woman, me hate her. But me not gonna lie. Fear is fear. The woman now whip you like a blood clot. Oh, you are. That you for blood clot get. That you forget. Stop, divert the war. Come back at me. The people them tired. The people them tired hear you with your same. Me hear you. Man that pussy stink. Oh, you know my daughter pussy stink. You never meet my daughter in all your life. You don't know none of my kids them. You don't even fucking know me. But you have a lot of shit to talk about people's pussy. Huh? You say you sit down over blood clot 11 years and no fuck. Because push righteous man. Me I tell the truth. Post. When you go start talking class, I'ma say you go. Don't say that about her if you don't like. That's what I say to Hugo. I never entertain him. So that's why when Hugo come to you now, because guess what? Hugo never want me if I tell you any little thing about where he was. Blood clot phone when I work good enough. And Hugo take one blood clot phone and they go give one girl when name. The fucking girl name again, man. Shit, can't her name gonna get back to me. Right? He was talking to the girl on the phone. And I never know that you give him two phones. And well, ask you and say, you give you two phones. And yes, and she said, yeah. So I say, oh, him promise Stephanie one of the phone. I lie. Two phone. Remember, I know people, Going into 2 weeks after Puss start talk to Hugo, You know what Puss do? Make Hugo call my house phone. And Rallying answer the phone. And she was on the line. And Hugo tell Rallying say, oh my God, Jamaica go fuck. Oh, me bring 6 suitcases for man. Remember, me and my baby father, our children go on our holiday. Me and him pack the suitcase. So He know what in the suitcase. Me bring close to my brother them. Not no man. And him say, but you go. At England, Tanya get pregnant, so oh the baby not for be mine. People the way the girl wicked, you know. Because all along, you know, she bad mind and grudge me for my life, you know. She know say I have a good man. You understand? As I tell people when I find out say Raleigh don't have any children, I decided say me I go give him first set of blood clot pitney. And I did. Hmm? And you want tear down the blood clot, man. When over there, you dirty cake or celebrate. Rally na go prison. When the man I go prison, I'm tell you say something say, that's why you blood clot racist. Eh? Keiko, your son die because your pussy curse. I mean now stop tell you this. Your son dead of an illness where you cost my daughter. Then you have another pitney where have cyber palsy. You will never be a grandmother. Your blood clot, bloodline, dead out there. So when you're dead and gone, nobody for blood clot carry the torch. Fuck out of here, bitch. I want to bad mind me for my blood clot life. I want to bad mind me. Me not have to marry to Raleigh. For say, by law, if you live with a man, for over 2 years, automatically on our common law, wife and husband. We don't need to go to church. Puff say, him own me or me own him. No. 15 blood clot years, going on to 16 years. Me still love Sanders done her the other day, and I just hear her name. She asked strength for pussy need to go suck her. Me said talk truth, Sasha. Love Sanders just done her a while ago. Love Sanders give her 5 hours under nasty blood clot. And she get up this morning all because you go look for him mother and go look for him sibling. And he might try to make it up because he nearly lost him life. And God give him a second chance. And the one that read a woman will walk in a beer shore and read up people and when not got dead. Keep on text it pan him and say, repent. Go and beg your mother forgiveness for what you done to your family. Because God see all of them know all. And all of the lies them where you go come and your son talk about us. Right? And tear down my kids them. I say all type of manner of evil. But my kids them. When my kids them come to prison, come visit him. So Caris was what? 3. Kimora was what? 6. And Kiara was 12. So the little baby them, what kind of stinking pussy 3 little blood clot baby could I carry that when them coming at the prison come visit him, them pussy stink up the prison? The filth and the wickedness where you sit down, where you do to me and my kids. I become tell you say, leave my mother alone. You text it for my mother don't know you. Every day you call my phone, your mother said this. Me I said to you, say, why would the woman say this about you? No, we don't care. You know the people them stupid on our life. Me was the one who introduced her to my brother. She claims say because me the one you gonna your married. Pussy hungry and blood clot, bro. You don't have no money. You don't have no money because when you go say to me say him want you forget some things to him. I said, you go. She don't have the money like that. You dey pan benefit Puss. Benefit you sit down pan. And yes, you do the credit data, do the credit card fraud and stuff, but you don't have it like that. Right? He might get the beating, Sash. You know, hear me tell you, say, he might get the beating and him want make peace. Him can't make peace with me. Me not ask Christ that. But him want to make peace with his mother. And he went to visit his mother. You know, feel blood clot shame. Dirty girl. You know, shame. The man go look for his mother and you were supposed to be there. And could have go follow him, go look for his mother if you was a human being, but he's an animal. Eh? Puss, how you live your life like this? A years you do them something here. A years you tear down people. A years you set up people upon people for war. That's why them didn't ban you from out of the dance hall. You didn't have to stop because when you reach at the gate, none of them, the security guard, them get your picture already. Do not let in the big blood clot road cat. You couldn't blood clot going in at the dance them. Because when they go into the dance them, me and Island Candy have a problem, but we're not gonna make no problem that the people them dance. You come to me and tell me say Island Candy a chat me. Then you go to Island Candy and say Island Candy Tanya a chat you. Big war broke out in a dance. Police have to come, the people them dance have a blood clot lockdown. So you can't, you get banned out of dance hall over 10 years now. Nobody now keep you. Nobody now blood clot keep you. Eh? You love problem. How much years now you walk and I tear down your family and I tear down people. And you come and you want to tear down my blood clot family. Puss, my mother no count you. Hi baby, happy New Year to you. Lift up off of me blood clot name now a full time. You have to come off of me and my mother and my pitney them. We don't know you and we will never blood clot know you. Can you get this bad and you can never ever speak to me and I will never speak to you. What you think say? Calling me neighbor, you idiot blood clot pussy, you cannot trace. All you know for do a talk be a fabricated story. Me you say, oh, Dirty Dion no know nothing about me. Oh, so Dion no know nothing about you, but you know about Dion. Oh, I go so. You know about everybody where you cuss. You know them dark secret, but them don't know nothing about you. Not no blood clot go so. Majority of the people them where you worried upon the blood clot Instagram, you don't know them. You just fabricate story and tear down people's bumbuclad kids. But Puss, that never stopped Kiara from getting her grades. And that never stopped her from being a prefect. And that now go stop her from being the doctor where she want to be. Puss can't gonna dance. Puss is still in the 1980s. She can't them ban her out a dance because she caused confusion and war. You couldn't make the man just go visit him blood clot mother and him sibling and you leave it alone, Puss. You leave it alone. He burn your blood clot from yesterday. It hurt you, tear out your heartstring. It paralyzed you. Remember you tell your people them say, you cannot go around his mother. Then what him do yesterday? What did he do? Him want peace between him and his family. Eh? Puss you talk everything where you talk in the book. There is nothing left else for you to say. Why you keep on fucking talking? Why you keep on talking? Everything where you talk 2 years ago, everybody hear them already. I know nothing fucking new. It's stale. Fucking stale things that come on the IG and attack about people. New fucking year, new dawn, new beginning. Let me tell you something, man, Puss. Me not stop use prayer and win. Because as God as my witness, I never done you anything more than your aim was to destroy my family life. You the one rallying left me with the picture them. I kill me. And you want tear. You go against your mother. You go. Me you sit for your life and say, you go we kill a mother and sister for your liar blood cartel. That will never happen, Puss. That will never happen. You know word you it. Eh? Come out and tell the people them say the man not sleep with you. The man not sleeping with you. Cause you stink. You're dirty, you're pussy, mucky and grimy. Your constitution brought down from your little age. Yes, Miss Thompson, she live for my blood clot pitney. She live on Amanda. Imagine how to look on the wickedness of these people, you know. Let me tell you something, see, IG, learn my lesson. And who me talk to, me no want no new people. Because me tell you something. How can you depend your life and a laugh off a person who have seizure? And I say, when the man them a fuck man that should have siege upon them would Puss. You know think so we have a creator who put upon this earth and see all of the wickedness them. Remember, you know, you was on my phone when Madonna and Tough catch the tuberculosis. Madonna was in intensive care for 4 months. Right? Blind out of one eye and the next eye I leave her. Hmm? And you won't stop with your wickedness. Hmm? You won't stop with your wickedness. You know, curse your kids them far too enough, Puss. Because when you curse somebody's kids, are your fucking kids them. You don't see that. Like they deport Omar from the United Kingdom. Omar get an opportunity to be in Germany. What Omar go do? Thief the people them car and mash it up. 3 blood clot ears him get. And them are going to send home in blood clot back to Jamaica. Hmm? That means that you curse. Like, your kids, them do not belong like you. You do not belong on this earth. You're a demon. Go cleanse out your blood clot heart. Go purge. Go drink some bitters. Hmm? Go make it right with God. Fucking blood clot, wicked bitch. You have 6 pitney and none of them don't come out to be nothing. Stop the imagineering career. Your son got prison 3 times for assault. 3 times for assault. Hi, Styly. From Canada. Okay. Right? Omar have 300 and odd conviction. Big up yourself, TG. Long time I no see you. Hmm? Post up about God, she not have no blood clot. God in her a demon, the woman serve. Eh? After you watch, you go almost drown, you know, bitch. You watch the boy almost lose his life, you know. And the reader woman come in your yard with all your wicked, you know, Puss, and say, this for done. This for done now. You buy your fucking ticket for go Jamaica, because remember the man not fucking you. All you do is to go and sit down on Tanya's and her mother name and chat all your fucking shit. Hmm? I read that woman, I tell you, you know, the wages of sin is death. What you're doing to your family, you go, God is gonna punish you. Because we all know that you never come from a broken home. Right? And you act like say you suffer. Oh, you don't know say me could have help you for blood clot go a Europe. You go, oh, you don't know say me could have make a guy Europe too. Push the another link. The only link she have the boy will use the credit card and get the ticket them for half price. Say it costs overall 5,000 US for go Germany. The ticket and the hotel stay. And you end up pay 2,500 or 3,000 because the guy buy the ticket for you. And you pay him half price. There is no fucking link. From long as you have your money, you can't go to Germany. You don't have no link, Puss. You do not have no link. Why when you go live, you have to tell you go say you go live. Me go live, you know you go. Yes, him have 300 conviction. Me tell you, Omar tell me everything. Right? Omark say the morning, remember I know the woman said, Omark come when me go up on my holiday, you know. Me have to left, you know, 2 days early, you know, cause I mash up my blood clot holiday, you know. Omark say him did have a look at one other court case. And him said the police them come for him early in the morning. And when him say him go to court and the judge give him a fine. Cause like the judge say, tired to see that boy your face. Tired to see him. Exactly, TG. And when time the judge say, all right, me go give you one fine. How much you can pay? And Omark say him say £30 a month. Him can pay. And as him say, as him step out of the courthouse, so a police hold on upon him, but there wasn't police, they were immigration. That same fucking day, that flight, them not even give Omark a call for call Puss. They say, call your mother. Them put him on the blood clot plane. And when Omark reach a Jamaica, you understand? And Omark sit down and tell me your life story, Puss. And because I ask you back, and you realize me know a lot. So when you meet Hugo now, and you got to talk about the fake blood clot things them want to plan up for make up on me, yeah. He is slow. He have a brain of 8 years old. He was lit down by a car. The car dragged him almost feet. And stop talking about Omark money, because Omark money done long time. Right? When you send Omark come at the villa with me, and me blood clot feet Omark have be a fake £20. They were fake. Fake. And me buy food. I give him weed money and everything, remember, you know. Me no know Omark, you know. Me no know Omark from nowhere, you know. Me see you dirty, uku you just enter the weight name. Right? And when me a Puss up on the phone, I talk the morning, and I say, Puss, me go get ready now, cause me I got the villa for 1 week. And she say, yeah, which part of the villa then? I say, Ochi. She turned to me and say, hey, you know, say, Omark the near Ochi? Like, she a tell you know. Me I tell her, there's party me around to imitate them. She said to me, say, if me can make Omark come, me not lie. Because people, me not go come for here and tell you, say, me did hate her and me never like her. No, I did like her. And me never knew them telling me no know about Omark behavior, you know. And Omark come and they are the villa with we. First thing him do, thief the blood clad people them car. Then him try to molest, fill up the little 14-year-old. And you know, Tanya is long time vice known Puss over her life. I play right now with Hugo. Hugo is not there. Puss phone scream dark. Puss I try. Yeah, me know says over there play long time vice note. Puss him not blood clot do no live and cuss him family no more. Him not doing it. You still. You see what me I telling you people? The wicked pussy clot woman, she can't stop. She can't help herself. I always believe your story. But story not change. Me say Omark and me say because me respect her and rate her a certain way. Me have to left the blood clot bill a 2 days early. The boy mash up with entire. Me pay 100,000 for me and my kids them go relaxing at the nice blood clot villa and pushing a demon it blood clot son. And I see when Omark start done her and start tell you the things them. Puss Hugo is not there with Puss. Oh, Hugo long time vice now Puss a play. She record him. Can she return to the UK? Care? I don't know. And as I said, I'm not gonna come in here and say she cannot go back to the UK because I don't know. I don't want to say that. And when she come back, me look like a fucking liar. I'm not a liar. Me treat Omar good. Me go in a town and I'm a shop, man. Me spend 50,000 on wholesale for the 1 week. Buy up food, buy up meat and drinks. Me say, Omar, down to my cousin chocolate. Me buy one pack of chocolate from my cousin. Omar, nyam off the whole of the cereal. Remember, we cooking up. Omar empty the cupboard, nyam off the sachets, them, nyam off the sardine, everything in blood clot, eat off. Me treat Omar good. And when me realize that Omar is a demon like his mother, because the plan was, remember I know, them beat him, when Omar get deported, Omar things say Jamaica and England are the same. So he was burgling the people them house. Let me just put the camera on you go now. He was burgling the people them house and shop. And because Doogie have name up there and them things say him a Doogie child, right? So them broke him and them chop him up. Yeah. And after them chop him up and so true, them don't like him up there because as me say, him no ram for thief the people them things. Puss said to me say, if me can ask me see again, Puss talk to my mother because bear this in mind. Me never know about Omar reputation. So me agree with Omar for the go back to Portmore for go stay because he bring all them things and she said to me say, Tanya, me I try to get Omar out of Jamaica because they gonna kill him. So me I beg you if you could have asked your mother to keep Omar for me for those couple of them. Remember, when them chop up Omar, because at the time, me and her was associate. We wasn't friend. I was sorry for her. Of course, me a human being. I me have kids. I mean, you would want nobody chop up my kids and broke my son, Anne.
Yeah. Told
Eh?
you to turn it on you. I used to get chat about,
Yeah. Yeah. Because post video you go now show your team is there. Right? Me say Portmore is a close-knit community and them time they should not tell me say Omaka burglar when me realize that this boy is a danger. Me say Puss me cannot carry him go to Portmore because me carry him to Portmore they gonna hurt him. Right? And me don't want that. So the same woman we are cost, the woman did agree for Omar come and stay with her for the couple months. Because of the beating, every minute them beat Omar. Eh? And they come and I disrespect my mother. My mother not do you nothing, the woman do not do you nothing Post. When you start the problem, me up on WhatsApp, me say Post, make me link up the call and you talk to my mother. You talk to my mother said to you, say, Post, Hugo is my son. And he's very mischief making. Do not listen to him, what he's saying. Post I beg, keep playing those old time voice note with Hugo. People, Hugo under him borrowing pussy. Let me make this clear. Hugo don't sleep over his mother last night. Post, stop call down Hugo phone. Right? Me see him. My mother talk to her, and my mother say, listen, why would I say your pussy big? You don't do me nothing. I don't know you. My mother said, I don't know you. Oh, I'm just going to get up and class somebody where I don't know. My mother talk to the woman with love and respect. And she said, me say, Puss, make this fusion before it kick off big. Nip it in at the bulb and stop it right now. She wouldn't listen. She wouldn't. She determined to tear down with family because guess what? She don't have a family blood clot unit. Her own pity them when she birth 8 her. 8 the ground she walk on. You understand? So when she say, my always attack about my mother, she a cuss me say, me a mind my mother. Then I who for mind my mother? Who for mind her? My mother bring me to this country, a better life, take me out of Jamaica, right? And make me have a lot of opportunity. Me forever grateful to my mother. And me for blood clot minor. You go eat me because I love my mother. It's not me make your mother eat your puss. Everybody can change in life and you don't decide to change. And when your sister at the end of it and it for done. The man nearly lose him life, him nearly drown. And the man I said, done it now. Done it. Eh? Why you can't move on with your life? Why you stuck by me? Me don't need me a blood clot white fault. And me I do I defend my mother and my kids them. Where you come in my blood clot inbox and violate my kids them. Eh? Oh, you call me for my pitney them pussy wash. And your pussy no wash. So you ever call another woman for beard our kids them when your grand pitney them want beard and your pussy want beard. What goes so? What goes so? Or you for stay from over your yard and sit in my house and know say my girl pitney them pussy stink and them pussy want wash. Oh baby pussy for stink. Hmm? You not like no peace. The man I try and make it up with the mother. The man I try and make it up. Because the wages of sin is death. And when you see that, you can't help your fucking self. You decided, say, something bad have to happen. Somebody have to dead. Me tell you something, I pray too hard. And I know the God where me I serve. And Puss, you shall live out a you go life without your arm, earring, and blood clot head. You hear me I tell you? You're not going to see no bloodshed. All of the bloodshed where you sit down at Jamaica and what happen, you're not going to blood clot get it. So you better book back your ticket and come back a blood clot England. Because anywhere you take it, anytime you left up from Jamaica, him gone. You're too bagger. You're too demonic. Full blood clot time now. You have to come off of my name and allow me no response. I can't fuck my blood clot, brother. My pussy not jump for my brother. Me and a family ram. Not look for me sexually or molest me. None of blood clot them. None of them. Fucking sick fucking bitch is a sick fucking bitch. May I tell you something? Your time is near. I'm going to tell you, I say, you Puss, you're going to get the biggest blood clot bring down on IG and it start. Stand up in your blood clot war and war with Love Sanders. Stop divert the blood clot war. Eh? See all of the page here with Erica. Look for sick Erica. Post, beat and teach, you know. Post are you still a win. What Post still a win? Post a be a fake story you come with. You know, so the woman a real out your blood clot that kit. And you can't manage the woman. Here you go use like we Dan use. The way the woman ugly. You know why we no ugly woman. I like your blood clot tell. Yeah, the dirty sky over there tell her say, make sure you go now. Make sure you go. Hmm? Nobody come with a problem, you know. Nobody come with a problem, man. You understand? Hmm? Yeah, play be a blood clot, vice note with Hugo. Attack the things them. Hugo don't talk when for talk already and do when for do. It's still now. It's still. Go on with Love Sanders. We are tear down your blood clot. All shit follower them. Crackhead, Keiko. Big liver lip, big body, big blood clot. Thunder belly. Brittany. Dirty blood clot Erica. Mad gal Erica. Sickhead Erica. Erica with Kingston. Erica, you get the biggest blood clot bring down. My brother can't bring me down because he never fuck me. My brother know nothing about me. Everything what you got talk is pure lies. People have them eyes and say, me I grow my kids them. My life not perfect. I'm not gonna come and, oh, my life perfect. No. But me tell you something, me not live no blood clot, dirty life. You understand? When I cuss a woman, when I cuss a woman, well, live with a man for 15 years, a old her baby father. When you cuss me like say me single. When you cuss me like me single and me a walk and me a sleep around with Dick, Tom and Harry. I want over there praise. Remember, June where I come. June where I come. No, June, last year June, make it 1 year. So 1 year and add. She know you go. But she like say she and you go school together. You know your childhood sweetheart and Puss you go give her all our kids them. We is not your relative. You're not married to Hugo. You don't have no kids in the family. In the end of the fucking day, you are going to be the one left in the cold. Stop play, use up vice note. Bring Hugo for come cuss. She said the woman is a blood clot, Lucifer. You know say the woman a Lucifer. Eh? You, Erica, you go and Puss cannot read me my Maranga rights. Come na none of uno na have. Go talk oh Kingston, bring down your dirty blood clot wall and your dirty blood clot life, your papa life. And that you for talk about. Can't bring down me. Bring down who? Why when Puss the remember my man in my bed, where is Hugo? Where is Hugo now? Hmm? Where is Hugo? Hmm? Me not care what no want talk about me, you know. Me not argue with you, Post. Me leave it you to Love Sanders. Love Sanders a beat and teach. You're afraid of Love Sanders. You can't come out, come argue with a woman. We are rip up your a new batty wall. Hmm? And you can't argue with Love Sanders. You want to divert the war from Love Sanders to me. The people them tired to hear about the same fucking thing. It played out, Puss. It's fucking played out. Why would the woman we are tear down the wall where Britney run gone, Keiko run gone? Hmm? I just blood clot Erica on fake page. Hmm? Post, you not keep. And me tell you something. Me tell you something. God is in the midst. And God give us opportunity and chance whatever wrong we are doing in this life. Him give you the opportunity to either stop and them say who can hear gonna feel and you determined. You determined to tear down the man. Look how you go look. You go mash up. You go pan, you go face him lose a lot of weight. Hmm? You make up all type of thing. Yes, push on and she over there play long time voice note where she tape you go. So I itch over there. The woman is sick. And then they call me sick. Hmm? Look how long me not look on you, Puss. More than the boy go visit his mother yesterday. After yesterday, you rise up. For me and my mother. You rise up. Go and war with the woman we have came. Kimora, get some juice to me, Baba. Put some ice in there. Yeah, I like orange one. Right? Go war with Love Sanders. Cause you want blood clot torment Erica. Pussy say Erica use you. Erica, yeah, be it. Yeah, you were Erica right. How much time you go bring down my wall? I want to know how you go for bring down my wall. When you go don't know how my wall feel. I look. Puss you go bring down you. When you got cuss you, I be sure. Eh? Oh God. Hmm? Go bathe. Go brush your teeth. Go have a good hygiene. Hmm? You're just mad. You're just mad because you go spend time with your mother. You couldn't blood clot stop it. And you can never stop it. You're gonna always left out in the cold. You are an outsider, and that's where you belong. I don't give a fuck what you want to say and what you want to fucking do. You play the fuck out. Go and get a fucking life and stop talking about people who don't know you. I will never speak in you. Me will never buck up no way. Worse, my mother. We not count you. And Nicole Dainty move her blood clot suck pussy. Nicole Dainty, look upon her you, Nicole Dainty. Nicole Dainty, you don't have a good blood clot, Jasper. You're big fucking 50 at ear wall. And you walk and a suck pussy. You're not for be blood clot lesbian because you not fuckable. I look up for be lesbian. Lesbian people are nice at people. She live with her husband and in a group. 5 gal shall suck them pussy. And one piece of lesbian blood clot pussy sucking while broke out in the group. Me afraid them just exit out of the group. Cause me say, listen, me no fuck gal. Me no supposed to in a this a war, yeah. You understand? Nicole Dainty can't talk about nobody. You need some clothes. You look damn horrible. You stay really bad blood clot bad. Pussy not keep. Pussy not keep. You not blood clot keep. Don't take the wild of Sanders. Me not like your pussy clot. But rub out the blood clot big stinking road cat. Rub out the big blood clot cat. You not serve no purpose. You waste all of 110%. Everybody where you are with and cuss in a better position than blood clot you. Me see you have on one black shots. 10 years ago, even look on her Facebook page where she hold up her hands, so she had the black sequin shots. Me see she have on couple days ago. Me no carry no blood clot. Every clothes in my suitcase when me I go Jamaica, they brand new. They brand new. No blood clot wear out clothes and me wear already. Let me tell you something more. Him not left, him my blood clot left. He's going. He is going. The boy tired of the problem and the war. But when him no blood clot understand, say, you not have peace and you will never have peace. Look, oh, you're there Jamaica stay. And then you want to come talk about people. Move your blood clot and go argue with Love Sanders. Puss entertain the man, Eugene and Marcia over there and pretend you go outside. Yeah. Mm. Shall waste the man. Shall waste the anti-pilot. Pussy a blood clot loser. Where the fuck you win? Remember you are maintain you go weed habit, liquor habit, everything are you have are you is a mother though. Are you a feeding man do? You know cocky a blood clot mine? A cocky a mine, you know? A cocky a blood clot mine. Yeah, pay to a cocky partner. Come tell the people them say he's not sleeping with you. Yeah, beg you come talk about no what you tell Dion, my business card Dion. Puss me here enough things boy yeah me no care. Come me no count your blood clot. So me no care. Me no care. Hmm? No man, listen, let me tell you something. Honey baby. I can't say it. My brother is sick. You understand? He's sick. And she know him sick. Right? As I said, you gonna not fucking her. She's not getting no fucking. You know that say, we make you think say she blood clot mad. She know she gonna get it. I know. You sit down and you say, in Q blood clot look for your mother. Then I'm gonna look for your mother and the day with him sibling yesterday. You know shame? You know fucking shame? And who left outside in the blood clot cool? You. Cause you not belong. You do not belong. Sometimes I wonder, oh, Puss baby father did stomach that big black wheel. Let me tell you something more. You see Doogie? Puss a fought Doogie for him at 17. You see when them kill Omi, right on top of her, she was 9 months pregnant with Omark. And them time they are Maxfield she live. And she know the people them who kill her baby father. So she walk and attack. So they were gonna kill her. So she hurry up and run with from Maxfield. And her sister Diane make she build the room, then build the room. And so come them have that the part of capture land there. You understand? And when she go up there the night, she say, Doogie, I fuck Doogie the same night pan her blood clot 9 month belly. Come tell the people them. Come tell the people them. Fuck Doogie same time. She fuck Doogie. And Doogie and a Diane, Doogie the love. But Diane it already have fear baby father. Yeah. Hmm? Doogie run left you and gone. You tell me, say, the way how Doogie ate you. Him ate the kids them. Him never ever wait him a band with the kids them. Hmm? How it go? Never. The man ate you no blood clot. And people me tell you what she used to use pan Doogie. Doogie come here in a the baby father with dead name. You understand? Oh me name. So when Doogie Doogie they do business married and they get him stay, right? So she always a say, Doogie remember the passport. Doogie remember the name. So she used to have that pan Doogie. So when Doogie left her and she attacked, Doogie say, fuck the blood clot name and fuck the passport. Do what you want blood clot do. Doogie eat you. Eat you. See, Push how it go, you go look for your mother and family. You go look for your mother whole time last year. Every time last year.
So she late. You might look for your mother. She just here. Can you want
We're
woman
back.
to tell her nothing? You see, I got bring down both of them. So she just here. You go. When you ever talk about much time for life, so you go and look for your mother. Later.
Like she tell, you go visit mommy 2 times last year. 2 times last year. Him go over there go visit her. Him never go back. So stop tell people say how much time you go visit mommy. Not no go so you two blood clot lie. Can you make sure so you cause contention and problem? Oh, you can't just get up and want a man for eat him blood clot, man. Him can't eat me all him want the blood clot. Cause me eat him too. But you want a man for sin against God. Eh? His mother bring him for 9 fucking months in this world. And you sit down and want the boy to go hell. You want the boy to go hell? Hmm? You go. Never look for my mother 2 times last year. 2 fucking time for them get the port. 2 fucking time. So I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, but you go look for your mother all the while. Not no blood clot. Go so you're lied. You're lied. 2 fucking time he go and look for his mom. 2 times. Eh? And then the mother woman dip on him skin and I tell him say, come on, be quiet. Eh? The mother woman because him nearly blood clot Joan. Trying to turn up and listen to Tanya. She want him to talk, she want problem. She want him to go back there cause she want death. She want death. That's what she want. She want death. She tell herself so she not left Jamaica until you go dead. That she tell herself, you know. Because she knows that when she lift up from Jamaica, you go gone. People, I want to not sit and not watch things because let me tell you something. There are some lost soul on this earth. Where sick. You understand? And here is she's sick. This is what she wants. She wants to divert the war off of she and Love Sanders and gone back on the same fucking bullshit. Nothing is new. She not coming nothing new to the table. It's the same old, same old. Rolling for the kids them. Tanya pussy stink. Manda pussy stink. Tanya rock obia. Nothing fucking new. The same. Mm.
What's over there live? You want to play? Me want to hear it. She's like, you want me to play it?
Yeah, play it.
Something. And she not have nothing to play.
Play it. We can't hear it.
Oh, she play a voice note. You can't hear it either. It's low.
Yes, you're afraid that Love Sanders bad. We have to say we don't like the woman, but Love Sanders a beat her blood clot bad. Erica have to stay up on fake blood clot page. I hide. Love Sanders bring me down because the lie wanna go tell her. The lies them wanna go blood clot tell her. Yeah? Right? So fool no blood clot time now for she beat and teach you no blood clot. Erica, you need to show your body. You gonna interested. You're damn right, in no blood clot interested in all of this. Me not hold on for my brother blood clot hood. Oh, me hold on for my brother hood and me the all we are blood clot England. and him there Jamaica. Him there prison for 17 and a half years. And me have my man and me I live my decent life. Oh, me for want my brotherhood. Me could want my brotherhood. And if me and my brother dey on one island by myself, me would fuck my brother. Hmm? And that you come out and want the public to say me jealous of you go. Like, why would I jealous of you go? These are the things when me tell people. Why me introduce you to my brother if me want my brotherhood? People who have sense. People who can read and write. Why would I introduce her to my brother if me want my brotherhood? Hmm? See one pillar there, so. But camera have two pillar. Tell her under then. You understand? Hmm? Why me the want? Why me the want my brotherhood? If me introduce it to my brother, more than me introduce it to your brother, you think so you could have come destroy my family, eh? And kill off my mother because you want go in our house. It cannot blood clot work. You are an outsider. Hmm? Me want my brother. That me say somebody over there ask her, why would Tanya want her brother? Because she's sick. She make her son fuck mother and not to see with this woman. All in this woman head is fornication and nastiness. And kill her dead. People are live dirty life. Hmm? Kill her dead. She thinks that everybody in this world are fuck off everybody. She don't actually know the people out there who don't do those nasty things. My pussy could have never jumped for none of my siblings them. You understand? You don't make no blood clot sense. People who know we, I laugh, the whole community laugh after you. You call everybody in the community, forget information. I'm telling you the girl bad mind. Here I put one live, I say, my mother shop. Oh, the inspector them locked down the shop because I be a roacher and rat and this in the woman's shop. And the woman for lock down her shop. Right? And she come now and I sell special cigarette and whistler and weed. Eh? And she a big blood clot, rich, you know. I say this woman says she rich, you know. So why you need to sell $120 special? And you're a rich kid. And you try with the jerk chicken neck and so and nobody never blood clot by nothing for me because you stink, you cranny. So you worry about my mother shop and oh you are gonna call. You can't call anybody where you want blood clot call. Cause all the people them are poor more where you call. The people them me could take up my phone and ring people when me don't know. Forget information about nobody.
Okay,
You're sick. Hmm? And she always a call me name. She get up from me yesterday. From you go say I go look for him mother and him sibling and she start problem. And I said to him, I call my mother and I say, Mommy, look how she go up on her life now with her problem. Hmm? You understand? Me a house girl. That's why me live my life so blood clot clean. Always a wife. Always. Always. Me not have to walk and fuck and litter my blood clot. But if you want, why I need to do all of those things for? Hmm? How me grew up as me come from school. That's why the one little blood clot time, me find man and got teeth a little piece. Me catch belly with Amanda. Mm-hmm. Me a house girl. Keep on post. Your days is coming. Me not going down that road. Me not look for you. You can't chat all where you want blood clot. You unhappy no pussy clot. Happy people don't live like that. People who are happy sleep with a close member of the genetic code. Implement us to keep brother and sister from come. Exactly, Amanda. And she said, Johnny breed me. You are Johnny Pitney. My brother were dead. Not even the dead. Not even the fucking dead. She won't leave alone. Shall that. Post. That's Norman. Listen. The facts remain. Why the woman fi stop talk to her picking it them. The facts remain. He go and visit his mother. You can't do blood clot, nothing. You cannot do nothing. And you are the fucking outsider. You could have talked till your stinking blood clot mouth. As Love Sanders, I say your mouth fratty. I remember that night when they talk to Love Sanders, the true, you know, fret them at the video. And she put up her mouth to the blood clot camera. And I say, I see Sot Seal. Who knows Sot Seal? Her mouth soddy no blood clot. Soddy. Imagine me have my blood clot, man, of 15 years. When me give him 4 nice blood clot, baby. And I want come dash me a war over my brother cock. What the fuck? He responds, who you go on blood clot, fuck? Me and none of my brother woman them never argue. Mother, you want come tell my mother who she for serve and who no for come here with the blood clot. My mother know you? Do we know you? Fuck off. Yes, when she talk to Love Sanders and her blood clot mouth soddy. I should put the camera here and oh, you know, bros. You gonna my all I'm like that. So the woman mouth stink and gangrene with your blood clots. Love Sanders, the prayer beat and teach you. And you want come talk about the same. Wanna steal. Erica, come out, come defend Post. Stop type up about Love Sanders for your fake page them. Run out. Run out. Post. My man body at work right, you know so much picking give me. Post. If you did I get fuck. And if you did happy, the way oh you say you're happy, you spend more time on life than oh you sit down and your man spend quality time together. Eh? You're there on the internet 24/7. What kind of life? When you find time for fuck your man? Never. You not get no cocky.
Them argue, Tanya. Hold on.
Me not care where you want blood clot say. You go and talk till your pussy clot weak.
When they can't hear me,
Me not hear you good.
hold on, they Tanya. Them argue. Hold on.
You fucker you.
You got to stop calling my mother name.
You saw them unfair people. People them I say me no compound life. How much day now you know? I see the palm me from yesterday no. From you go left and go visit mommy. She start I saw the and I make problem with her. These are she make problem and then she turn it round and say, I'm me a trouble her. Yes, one, you got to curse. That's what she wants.
May I listen them a argue. That
Una sister the woman I want Lucifer. Lucifer.
maybe I should turn on my
I laugh, Amanda. Dirty Erica. That's all Erica can do. Erica, me I move up with my life and left your hook on me and my pitney them. Our pussy and our life. Erica, you will never blood clot have peace. Remember, you know, from yesterday, you know, she dey on live, I call up my name, you know. And me, I say, she why we love Sanders, why she not keep why we love Sanders, so she divert the war. The people them tired of this a war, you know. Me and your war, the people them sick of it. Eh? You want to cause confusion and problem in a people life? The man go look for him mother. Why you come on live, come announce it? Me never they go come say no up. But for morning you dey for me. And as soon as we come out and talk and say, lift up off of me and my pump buckler, pick them now. Full time now you for lift up off away. Focus on your love Sanders war.
I know, right?
Eh? Focus on your love Sanders war. Why you change it? The people them tired of me and your war. From
Drew, me
yesterday,
see you over there.
From yesterday, you go visit him mother. You depend the blood clot live and make problem. And me ignore you. Me ignore you. For you get up this morning, you
Live
start.
done.
You start. On the social blood clot wicked and stay. People, I want you to sit down and watch the wickedness we are unfolding, you know. Me say, Father God, you're not asleep and you see and you know. You see and you fucking know the wicked things what this woman is doing. And me tell us a post. You're going to get the biggest blood clot bring down per IG. Remember me tell you this. She stress out the boy. All him want is peace. When you hear me talk, what she do is come out, come make problem, and then tell him, say me a cuss him. Me nah blood clot cuss him. Me nah stop mother blood clot you. So the hole, so the mouth. Cranny stay bad blood clot, y'all. Big pussy Erica, you need a hole. A girl with 5, you hear me? Because me have 6 pitney and a girl with 5 pitney. Fuck your man from you. She told a big lie at first and Lugo said, play it. Him hear and Lugo said, him never hear Tanya said that Puss. Can't see the other thing. These are the things what you do. These are the lies and the confusion and the problem what you do. She come and she tell lie and she tell you go say me over your classy. Remember no people. And me no dep on no live, you know. Me just in the comment section. I enjoy love Sanders a beat and teach them, you know. And she has straight from the war from Love Sanders, you know, to carry it back on the Tanya and the Puss and the Yuga war. Puss, it not gonna fucking work. It not gonna work. Hmm? All because the man go visit him blood clot mother. Eh? All because the man go visit him mother. You come on IG and you start your problem. Hmm? When you know low me blood clot name, I'm pick the name him. Lower for blood clot we. She never get her way. That's why I Auntie Dan. That's why she a play her blood clot fake. A long time blood clot voice note them where you got talk the things them. You steal Puss. You steal. You steal. Steal. Hmm? The man.
Tanya.
Yeah?
Oh, you can't hear me way better now?
Yeah, me I hear better now, babes. The
Okay.
man tired of the confusion and the problem. Hugo is a family blood clot person. Him love him mama and him love him family. Are you coming at the man life? Are you where you really want? People, wanna ask Puss what you want, you got to do. She can't manage Love Sanders, so she come blame you about you giving Love Sanders shit. Me not forgive blood clot Love Sanders shit. Me talk up the blood clot things them and Love Sanders video it long time and I watch and know say me not blood clot tell no lie. Because when she tell the people them pan her life say, oh me thief. Me thief Omar passport when Omar come on my yard. So me say, oh me for thief Omar passport, then oh me have Akeem one. Now Puss and this I'm sure the conversation where she asked me if Akeem and Omar look alike. So that was a big up yourself, Dr. Love. She live again, Kandy them say.
Okay, coming right up, people.
Yeah? Right? Oh, me for thief, Omar passport. Eh? Look how you sit down. People in the social unfair. She give Love Sanders my address, my name, my date of birth. She dey on live I tell people. Who call benefit people pan her. Who call social service pan her. Who call police, ambulance, soldier, the queen, barrister, Downing Street. She tell them to call the whole blood clot civil servant for me. And now Love Sanders sit down and watch and tape what she want, tape and have what she want have. And she want blame me. And me get Love Sanders. Me and Love Sanders on a blood clot friend. Ask Love Sanders if me come in her inbox. Me don't even do over Love Sanders page. Me black Love Sanders and me not look for Love Sanders. Come off of me blood clot and focus on the woman we are tear down your blood clot and I lick you with facts. Let me tell you something. Anything you should ball out and say, Dion. Remember, I know when I talk the things, you know, it burn her, you know. She have to cuss Dion, you know. Because she said, Dion tell me all of the things, But are the same thing Love Sanders do. Love Sanders is not an idiot. She sit on the live and she watch me talk, right? And she can't talk on Rob Sanders. No, she weak no blood clot. A family problem she want. A family feud she want. She won't leave the man and make the man brains rest. Come off of the man family. We're not gonna own you. We hate you. And when all said and done, you cannot stop him from going and look for his mother. You cannot stop him from have a relationship with him blood clot mother. So you got dead. You know blood clot shame. You know shame when he must step out of the house yesterday and I go look for your mother. You know say if you was a good person, you would have the right by his side. I go look for mommy. No. You want a problem. You know see the boy nearly dead 3 weeks ago. Eh? Why you want bloodshed? Father God, I rebuke it. And I send it to the pit of fucking hell. Pussy will not win me. Me gonna use God and prayer and beat you. You're not conquer me. You will never conquer me. I don't know where she and Love Sand as how it start, you know. She can't touch Love Sanders because you go went to his mother. Exactly. She want to divert the war from Love Sanders to me again and her. Pussy not gonna work.
We could talk sometime today. I just made an Instagram page, so I don't
Shouldn't have nothing else with Love Sanders to play.
She boring, man. She boring.
God.
Woman just big and blood clot Kelly so.
She
Load
don't know
man.
for research. Love Sanders do her research and come with
Love
her
Sanders
file.
do our research. Let me tell you something more. You see when my out here and Love Sanders, I want to clear up something, yeah? You gonna never get no payout. Never get no payout for no forget no that no go so. If you have a family member who die tragically in the UK, you can't sue the government. The government give money. Not you go. You go never have no money to give David family them. No. You understand? It's all fucking lies. You go work in a prison and them save up his money. They save up his money. That when them are send him home, him have a change. You don't know what she do? She take it where? She get the blood clot check. Tell the people them say you have the man money. Tell the people them say you have the man money. When you come out and come talk about, oh you can't show. Oh she can't show. Me. No proof that me take you got money. She can't show no proof. Cause I never did.
Yes, sir.
Love Sanders rub out her ugly blood clot. Shaka Love Sanders ugly. Pussy no for call nobody ugly.
We could have worked for my brother and a woman and this and that.
You're so she wicked. Me a war with her, you know, people. People, when you see she up on live, a class me from yesterday now. And she come out now and I say, me a war with her. When I she know, over there talk about my kids them, and oh, yes, rallying for commander. You must be there. You must be there catch rallying juice.
You understand? Any blood clot body. You don't want me mouth light in blood clot. You got what me mouth back. If you got talk with me no life.
Go get a fucking life, bitch. Go get a life. Your time expire.
Advice with more vomit.
But she said you couldn't get him to come cussing blood clot, mama. You know she
a big friend and a big and I said she want to talk about dirty red boots. So when I blood clots, a fox you deal it over here, so nasty old blood clot. Really, you just carry Amanda go wash out her pum pum.
Yeah, worry about my daughter pussy go with mother and wash out her hole. We lucky British fuck out her hole and the whole of the dancehall man them. You can't mother and for suck off the whole of the man them putting at the dancehall. Yeah, me and Amanda couldn't do no blood clot dance. At the time mother and 16, 17-year-old. Yeah, mother and they dance.
You know the woman lie. She said, "Oh me," I say, she call. I tell you go say she want to kill you. When she put it, it was on live. They plan it and they say everything was documented.
So what the proof? Where is the proof? You said me the one kill you go. Where the proof? Erica, Berry and Chin say to you. Oh, them can't show your voice notes. A recording of me saying, I want to get my brother killed. I never come up here and no life. I say, I want to get nobody for hurt my brother. It's you put that in her head. And yesterday you go say, him not to eat from his mother because his mother got blood clot poisoning. Of course you say so. She say it. When she say things them, you know, she don't remember what she say and do, you know. She don't remember what she say and do.
Clean up at night. How you find time to talk about your brother?
You find time to talk about me and rallying on my bumbuckler picnic them. Who the fuck you think you is? Who the fuck you think you is? You see why when people blood clot, sometimes you see some people dead. I say, then I walk with a car seat. People who saw this blood clot big stinking old girl. Get up every day for me and my kids them. From before the New Year's chip in, She a love Sanders a war and she a put blood clot me in a it. I me avoid this big stinking old girl. Puss, everybody knows say you have the stinkiest old ever. Your pussy stink. Me now war with you for no blood clot, brother. Me come out and say stop call me blood clot name. Full time now. Apart from my name. Me not see you. Eh? You can find all the time to sit down for life and talk about my daughter pussy, but then you gonna say me the pan live I talk about my brother me a war with you. What the blood clot me a war with you for my brother for? Me cannot fuck my brother. She don't remember the things that she do. From yesterday she did on my blood clot name. Me say, mommy, here the problem now. Once you go come over there, anytime the man contact his mother, it's be a blood clot problem. Look how they are repeat themselves. So Erica, where is Mrs. Bell Davis? You are type. We don't know what Erica blood clot talk about. Erica rallying in my hole and him not come out. Me not care about Mrs. Bell Davis our rallying is mine, all blood clot mine. When you don't have a man for yourself, I want to get up and attack about people. Where is your man, Erica? Erica, I breed out blood clot bag. I breed out bag a girl with 5 blood clot pitney. Fuck where your man from you. And it hurts you, and that's why you hate me. Because when you look at you see a girl with blood clot, who you claim say, because when me and you and Dan in the group, you dirty, stinking old Erica. I have the pan. Oh, me not talk you no down, me not talk you down and Tanya. But any girl will have how much pity. Me say Erica, I 5 pity me have. And I want it, them time I'm pregnant, I got 6. Me say, listen, what pussy make to blood clot piss out children. You understand? Let me tell you what big girl pussy big. Multiple partner. Multiple sperms juice are going at them belly. Stretch out them blood clot wall. A child, when we come out a woman, our body was made to have children. You understand? Have one blood clot pitney. Your pussy good. Your pussy not good.
He might talk to me like say man this man. What if I think him doing I want to talk to him in his face about it, you know. You understand what I say? When I go on that money go up on 3 my youth.
I don't know what am I saying now.
Somebody rock down the road, piss him off.
Then him gonna come tell me say no, all me stay. What the fuck this youth know?
But him already in a bad mood from Puss.
You mean that? Yeah, me I make on the ear where am I saying?
I used to call him man, make a talk to him man. Because you think man money go up on 3 like. You know, a hard man work for that in a prison, how hard you work on people like. Yeah. You need to call this. I don't know, call him and see if he's downstairs. And he right there saying I look for the something there. So I don't know what go on. I can't take the fuck in my youth. I like man want to turn things like we are say. Him now do a bumbo clot work. You need to call him in your blood. I don't like when I talk blood. I like them people that evil and wicked like him want me to believe and me I fight against him and me I do him something. I be a fuck we go on with my youth. I mean I say nothing, you know. And me bring up on the work my youth. You need to call him my youth.
You go and tell him calm down. I can't argue. People say Tony.
I'm not arguing with my youth. I'm not going like you know my father.
You tell him calm down, baby.
I'm more to the place to done my youth. I don't care what them want to think for me and me bring him.
You go but I mind them rush him over there.
Look at things but artists say don't do and ring me. What do you get? You remember 4 cement for the thing then. No thing you cover it up. Waste the blood clot cement to it. I think I'm going to go. And if man talk, is that man done something wrong, man can't talk. I say, board them off of the thing. I can't.
Set them off today.
See, you flash him with the board them in.
That's stupid.
Don't flash. to plug them. See, flash around it, flash at the wall of the thing there. See, I mean, if I dig out the thing, I'm gonna show off the thing there. I'm gonna get no respect, nothing. You know what I'm saying? And I'm my place, and I'm your place, and your place, my youth. I'm a man. I'm gonna see them thing here go on.
I put him a call my youth. Come here, your man. My youth.
Hey.
What the fuck? How can a batty man talk that?
Let me go.
My youth, come
Yeah,
here, your
come there, yeah.
man.
Let me go pee pee. That be good, yeah.
What the fuck? Did you wanna hear that?
Me have no.
No, sir.
Offensive.
They can be offensive for the truth.
Offensive for the whole thing. Because when we are give you money and I give you the
Loud and clear, Jew, yeah.
It was like in a control with everything.
The
And all of a
fuck?
sudden, you have to say, yo, you know, response with this, you want this, that. You know, say with the bomb buckle like this.
True.
You come to me and say to me, say, me a call a penny, me don't know nobody for go. And no, you know. I thought you not even know my you.
Calm down.
Really for life.
Yeah.
And if we talk, me a bomb buckle like trouble make a problem.
My phone the phone live. Alright, don't know you go.
No, if we talk, me a trouble make a problem.
Wait till I calm down, then I call him.
Hurry up and calm down now, you go. So Puss can call him, man. May I touch too much.
You was like, you cook a whistle.
The Puss must say whistler. Give man a whistler. Oh, it's a cheap.
Hey, right now, you know. She mad, you know, and that's why, you know, she want you go for your cuss out my blood clot.
And he run for give so much money.
You love them hairstyle? Looking like twins? Cisco and the group. What they my name?
When the mother woman a warn her, and I tell her, say, she for done the fuck you know. Hmm? You say you get the man, and you still a blood clot war. What so? You say you win, me get the man. Yeah, me win the man. Then we are war with me for.
Cause everything you come say she mad cause she know you got tell her in mother stuff.
Yeah. He might try to tell me.
She know everything me talk, she know. She know I no lie me I tell.
Alright, I'm gonna tell him that me.
Cause she when they go on like the drone sitting a lie at first.
We are deal with the money thing we use.
But me I give Love Sanders information. Me talk the things them I Love Sanders are.
When you tell you that
against you.
tell you that in disappear.
I mean she want to throw, my pussy she want to suck. I'm a old she want to suck.
Come to me at UG. If that's the case then, you're gone, you disappear. So man, I couldn't hold the conversation. I say, yo, Eugene, where come? I tackle Eugene straight away. And I say, yo, we are telling the man more. Eugene said, no, I tell him some work for $5,000. So you shouldn't go nowhere. You should I say, yo, you tell me where. So we just deal with it there and then I say, yo, man, after
you go, she no want hear that way you talk. She want you start to rub me and your mother and the kids them. And that you want.
Sometimes I'm just push your hand.
I'm tired eye, lad. I'm tired eye.
And they see me, I tell her, say, look. And if me call people,
Tired eye, lad.
what happen now?
Tired eye. All I want the place is done. I'm not in and out. All I want the place is done. People start taking people food. Alright, today, you come and take the whole eye back then. I'm a ear, you say,
You know,
say,
say I don't, you gonna know, say she lie. Him don't know.
you can contact them. Oh, you come from a place and I take things. And things that miss from a place, I would don't hear, so your family might keep it, and you may be involved. I don't make you understand enough. When you come on a side, you come in the house and make me and my woman know, so yo, my day are really, and never do your thing. Make my blood clot. Yo, Zion.
Yeah, man, she want him to cuss me.
What you do is, Lana?
Mother, it you want.
Can't find it.
Samantha, she.
She want him for a cuss and attack about my pussy. Manda pussy, the kids them pussy, mother pussy. You know, hear how she attack.
That Eugene said.
That's not what she wants.
Eugene said,
Yo, you know, shame. The blood clot shame. Till your days are come, man. No worry. And everything good. Enough things me know I'm not gonna talk.
the money side. But you don't tell him, I'm done tell him. Eugene come work and I'm having poverty. Tell him that already, you know. Like I said, tell him that already, but you must say, well, never tell him exactly.
We don't matter about that money. Even this man come and I said, Eugene. So then when you money partner, you not pay money. So they can do with him.
Bring this to the world, this conversation.
You have to calm down, you go. Because it's one will get irate till the tongue of baby go and get it worse.
So, what do you mean get it worse?
It's going to get up in a fuel.
So all you want fluid with Hugo family. But yeah, tell Hugo say, yeah, preach. I say you never want Love Sanders with them name cuss Love Sanders. But yeah, still. You're the a woman and her kids, them and her mother for 2 years. You're the power. I you know things you're full time. Come off of me.
Life is rough.
Come off of my blood clot, man. Now call your fucking name. Now look on you.
Mad blood clot, woman.
I know, Sharon. In your fake page. Now I want no fake page. I'm fucking stupid. Don't to movie star. Look how much movie star, much time they married. Eh? So I know me take Rallying virgin because Rallying older than me. Rallying no years older than me. So obviously, somebody must have fucking before me, blood clot meet him. He must have another life. So I don't know why my life is so important to Erica. Erica, we are worried about me blood clot, man, cocky for. You cannot get it. Cause your pussy full of shit. Batman fuck you and breed you. You know no ambition, blood clot, Erica. Love Sanders have melt your blood clot down like candle. And you can't cooking things. Cause you not get no new information. Nobody not get no new information about me. Oh. So everything where you go come with a all. The man want peace. The man want make it right to him fucking mother, enough to make it right to me. He's just my brother. But his mother who birthed him on this earth. Eh? You want get him to come back after the mother woman one and tell him say if him not stop what him a do, him a go dead. But that she want. She want make sure say him dead. Mom, she cannot have two thoughts to rap together like we can say the same. She didn't get Derek ring and plop it into the sexy brown. Exactly. The brown skin girl. Tanya, because you live somewhere, your children are with you. God bless you with good man that love you. And my children. It's funny how none of them not rubbing Sanders. It's like them scared. Them all scared. Them not rub her. Shall move the direction back to me. This family fuse. Like, fuck off. She's jealous and bad man and evil. She's evil. Why you want a man for a war with him blood clot family? Tanya, people are
God.
you have a great life. Your kids love you. Exactly, Sharon. My kids love me. My man love me. My mother, my mother, love me. Come look after my mother. I'm dedicate my entire life to her. Oh, enough is the blood clot. Enough now. You don't think you do enough now? When you go, man? Apart from my name. You did on me for me yesterday. And then you go turn around and say, Tanya, God said no. No sleep for exactly teacher. She tormented. She tormented. She wicked and have so much to say to you, but not one line to rub Love Sanders. She don't have nothing to rub Love Sanders. How come I don't see Team Puss them anymore? She don't have no blood clot Team Puss. I just Erica and Dan Lemon and Teeny alone over there. She don't have nobody, everybody run and scatter and gone. It's too fucking much, man. Can somebody live them life like that? Eh? So what? The man no have no relationship with his mother we birth him. The man go visit his mother because the mother woman tell him say he have to repent and beg his mother forgiveness. Awa, you come out by your life yesterday. I call up my blood clot name. I love when Puss said tell her mom to stop talk to Tanya about you and you go said Tanya have sisters. It don't have to be my mother now. Come off of this. If Hugo was Puss problem, she have him and she's still on you. Have come and still on you. Come on now, Tanya, read between the lines. Puss is still on you, so it you and your friendship she can't get my blood clot friendship. Me hate her. Me hate her for blood clot eternity. You understand? Me hate her. Eh? It burn you, the man go look for your mother. What my mother tell me? Eh? Hmm? Me tired to tell you. I'm a mother birth her son. How long you think you're gonna get up and cuss him mother, cuss him sister, cuss the picnic them? You say you're happy. You win and him no left him, no left him, no. But you still a talk about me. You say you win. Me see them a put up the winning trophy, say you win. Run, go on with the disgusting trophy post. Everybody hates you. And that Miss Tam says she hate because me nah blood clot give you like the rest of them. You mad? Anybody will talk about my baby them, me nah blood clot deal with them. You understand? She want sister-like relationship with Nago blood clot work. Me hate her. Me hate the big stinking old girl. Tanya Puss want and need your friendship. She need you for accept her until Puss think that with she and you will get tired. And me, I'm a Aquarius. Me stubborn no blood clot. Remember me a water, you know? Me a water. Me a silent blood clot water. She will never blood clot get that. Me now ask Christ. But where's the monkey? She can't. Yep. Love Sanders, rub her out. 5 hours today. Rub the whole of them. Erica, the whole of them who forget rub. And you come out and family problem, you start pad again. If Tanya did talk, then Puss will have been in the mother house yesterday. So Puss will swell up. She begs. We stubborn Aquarius for the win. Sharon, me say me I like Noah blood clot arc. Aquarius, yes, we are, Tanya. If we hate someone, we don't want to talk to them. When we hate people, and we don't really hate people as often, we are peaceful people, But you see, when we hate you, Jesus Christ, me say me hate. Me say down to the blood clot girl, she walk pa me hate her. Me hate the blood clot girl. Cause she violate my kids them and she violate my mother. You know, here she say, oh, me, but she have time for a war with her, for her brotherhood. Listen, me never trouble you. I from yesterday, you dey for me blood clot name, and my mother name, I pick them name. Because the man get up and say, I go look for his mother. Yeah? Miss Stamps are so accurate people stay when we eat you, we blood clot eat you. And when we say we not talk to you, we not talk to you. I will never speak to this woman. I don't want to see her. I don't want to know nothing about her. Just leave me and my pitney and my mother name out of your stinking blood clot mouth. All you see she a go on. She don't happy, she cross. She lose control like you go. She lose control. The man tired for bring down his mother. How you can sit down and hear a man say, oh, the mother molested. Like, what the fuck? Why it have to be sexually content with this blood clot woman because she lack a fuck? She not get no old. Only time she happy when he talk about me and my mother. That's the only time she say she laugh and she go on. You understand? She go broke blood clot war with him, right? Do you like Don Island Candy?
Yeah.
Me say, you know, hear it in her voice. She bitter, no, she bitter. She go broke big war with him because she want him to come on the internet, come tear down his mother and tear me down for war. When I blood clot trouble you, Puss, anything you call me name of me feel like for come on blood clot dip up underneath your lower class citizen, me I come bust it up. Yeah? Stop calling me blood clot name, focus on who you and them a war and stop divert the war. No girl no rub me the way Sanders rub Puss. Me woulda have to come and love Sanders, but instead she a come for someone else. That's me. Go blood clot war with who a war with you. See how she dirty and nasty. When her son was talking down on her, you put him in her place. And yeah, man, I remember say, oh my class, sorry, no people. I'm say, oh my, I don't want to hear it. It's your mother. Do not this. Me say, it's the truth for your pitney them deal with her like shit house. She want everybody, yeah, to deal with them parents fucked up. Auntie Paulette, me say the time is near. Puss me, I leave you to you go. Because me, I tell you something, say, you go get it and you go get it in the horrible. Everything where you dash out. Love Sanders be teach bad. Me hate the woman, but me have to be real. The woman make them scatter. Them scatter around a una depend blood clot fake page. Erica Love Sanders give a challenge. Come out in a your real blood clot page, come rubber. Erica, I know me no see your address Love Sanders, you know. I know me no see your address, I know. But you're quick to start type up my blood clot name. A big blood clot foot. My mother tell me say any woman foot no fi pass blood clot 8. 8 are the biggest. And you wear size blood clot 13. So your foot bigger, so your hole big. Man face blood clot Erica. Erica with a 3 blood clot eyebrow. You know, blood clot tired, Erica. Me don't take a blood clot down from you because you don't deserve her. And you nah blood clot get her back. You can make 100 page in a Tanya rolling Manda. That nah stop me from blood clot sleep or eat. All them can say is call her eat. That's all. Let this monkey out. That a diary blood clot song. A diary depend. No, let out the emoji. Yeah. Get that monkey out. His blood clot diary style. Not your blood clot style. You have to use your enemy style. You can't rub Love Sanders on your fucking own. I sure you tell. Like, see, Bigfoot woman. Yeah, Bigfoot woman, I saw them them pussy blood clot big. Your foot big no blood clot. Erica, you ugly, you know? Erica, why you can't show your body or your face? You post up 10 years ago, 5, 6 years ago photo. The whole pustin scatter and blood clot gone. And shall me shall come for. So the woman play like a fiddle. What the woman do you? So now you go have a family will love him. Puss don't refuse to let you go have something that she don't have. Misery like company. Yeah, she don't have a family. And she knows her sister them hate her. And her mama hate her. So she want to bring you go in a that. You talk everything in the book where a mother will have 6 blood clot pitney. Happy New Year to you, Stacy. You have 6 blood clot pitney. You have 3 grand pitney. And you get up and a boots a man for talk fucked up shit about his mother. My mother laugh off of you, Post. My mother watch her laugh, The whole blood clot community I put more laugh off of you, Them said the way your blood clot ugly. You come talk about my mother not have no neck. You not have the neck because you have a green blood clot. Head back where grip up, grip up, grip up, grip up. You have 6 head back in a blood clot one.
You look so elegant.
Chop up like your life hard. You go through some hard life, Puss. You go through some hard fucking life. You're not fucking tired. You're not tired, you're still. She mash up the blood clot, boy. And the boy I try make it right with the mother. And from yesterday, you never have you think say if you never come out contact me, you would attack. Me would have said nothing because you dep on me from yesterday, you call up my blood clot name. That's why I come out and say lift up half of my name. Big blood clot, bad puss, afraid of blood clot. Love Sanders, Nicola, you a watch people blood clot pussy. I am pussy watch people pussy. The more a man wanna put pa my pussy. Me not supposed to have no clitoris under blood clot. My clitoris drop out from how much ear whole pussy. The woman stay bad blood clot, auntie. My fucking at church. The whole of you girlfriend them fuck me. The whole of my brother them fuck me. My mother have 8 children. 3 girl and 5 boy. My big brother died. Right? So why? Remember me have a little sister, Why am I pussy my brother them for fuck out? Or them not fuck my other 2 sister them. Shut the fuck up, man. Shut the fuck up. You stale and boring and run out of blood clot everything. Get a fucking life, man. New fucking year. You run left your pity them for 1 year when I come talk about. Me not have no look. Your son. Mini me. Yeah? Him got prison for him at 12 blood clot years old. You should have there England for embrace him and make sure say him not get himself back in a trouble. The way you're so fucking stupid. Them let him out in our house and him have ankle tag on him foot. And him not supposed to go nowhere near you. And you gotta call him in your house. To prove what? To prove what, Puss? You rather bring down your blood clot, pity them in an animosity, and to prove to the internet say you have money. Universal credit pay you 1,700 a month, and that is for your rent. And I don't know how you fucking get it.
Oh, live account down, may I come back?
I don't know how you get it. Don't know how you get it. You're there on the government assistant and you're out of the country. Me say you.
Sorry. So why me can't pin my comment? Janet, write the sentence for me, please. I can't pin mine. But to wonder if you're talking about me. Mute. Thanks. Puss a rest her about. You soon hear her.
Yes, Kandy. Kandy,
Yeah.
she not rest
Mm.
her mouth. I pray she a pray be evil things. What she want to do. I forget it for class in mother and class me. It hurt her. Eh? Everything she do for life. Eh? I bet you never get him. You know she ain't dirty girl. You don't get him for come talk about him mother and me. Eh? What the fuck wrong with you? You know things you have full time now, you have done the blood clot fuckery. Done the fuckery. Cause you say you win the money and you are win. Oh, you still tormented, bitch. The whole blood clot IGC say you're not happy. That's why you get up and text it from people. Look how much people are you are war. Eh? When you go for Love Sanders for tear down me and my blood clot, pity them. And me talk and me say Love Sanders. You know what say? Before me and Puss fall out, me all over Puss page. Call me the pregnant and sicky, right? And you come out Love Sanders and you disrespect my kids. You disrespect my kids. You make fake message with a man that say man that rallying attack. You follow blood clot Puss. You come tear down me and my bumper clad pity them and me don't know you. Me don't know you from nowhere Erica blood clot go for you. Cause Erica, you and Puss weak no blood clot. Me not have to try nobody. Me can't cuss no blood clot and Puss. Everything when me talk about you. Guys, love is on my page now. She's taking down Puss. Yeah! Shall take blood clot down Puss. Puss stop divert the war to me and stand up and fight with blood clot Love Sanders. Cause when you bring Love Sanders to tear down me and my kids, and you laugh and you giggle, and you, yeah. And me I say, God not sleep. Because Love Sanders know say, me no blood clot trouble her. Me never trouble her. You understand? And she, yeah, go on. And as you blood clot Love Sanders, we apologize to my children them where you fucking violate. And come attack. And you're not a warrior, you still a call my name. Oh, me go up and Puss live and say, my man fuck kids. Like, what the fuck? Which mother would, why would I go up and Puss live and say that? Oh, yeah, joke. Oh, enough is the fucking enough now, man. Enough is enough. You think God now blood clot sleep? Eh? The man go look for him mother, you won't leave it alone. Me say, Puss, if you don't call me name, me not call your name. Are you there for me family? Yes, today you cuss me. From yesterday you cuss me, I'm a blood clot mother. And you don't have strength for Love Sanders who are bring down your blood clot. Pitney them. Eh? A scatter blood clot team Puss. There's no team Puss. 3 blood clot to 4 people are coming for your blood clot live. People them tired of you know, man. Eh? Where you go blood clot get out of this? What you want out of this? What you want out of this? Hmm? Murder? Bloodshed? Fuck out of here, man. Yeah, 3 days no shall call me name. I'ma come out now and hear her. Eh? Shall war with me? Are you a war with me? It's not me a war with you, you a war with blood clot me. Come me no see you. Me not the comment section and enjoy you bring down where your blood clot get. I just put a video, me dress up like love. You dress up like Love Sanders. I forgot watch it when me come after life, Annie. You text it pan Annie. You text it pan Sweeney. You text it pan Diary. Like, fuck out of here, man. Everybody is tired. It's a new blood clot here now. Full time now. You have to Lego the blood clot, bad man and wickedness. Eh? Me would come out, come say nothing. You understand? Me, I leave you to God because God is in the midst and God is working. Hmm? The same woman where you bring come for tear down me, I'm a blood clot pitney them. And the same woman that tear down you, your blood clot pitney them. And when you so-called right that die, big blood clot old Erica, where Kingston bring down your nasty blood clot. Erica, you can't chat to nobody on IG. Me never see a man bring down a woman we deal with him for 4 blood clot years and him drop you like a blood clot breadfruit and don't look back. And you try to win him back and him never go blood clot back. Yeah, him love him look a blood clot slimmers. And the girl look gooder than blood clot you. You have 1 pitney in your body blood clot mash up. And the girl have 5. And you ask yourself, oh, a girl with 5 blood clot pitney. Take away my man. Move your blood clot, Erica. You have to stay upon fake page. But too bad if me and Puss was friend, but I come out, come rub Love Sanders for her. But you can't come out for your page and cuss Love Sanders. You play die. You know, still, hey. You know, some weak blood clot ass bitches, you know. Yeah, only pick the alone them can blood clot talk, boy. Erica, why should I worry about Mrs. Bell Davis when my man in my blood clot bed? My man in my bed and he's not coming blood clot out. Watch Tanya Kandy. I like Kandy. Oh, Miss Thompson say for watch Tanya. Wait there. Blood clot. Give up now. Them weak share that man. The woman make them scatter like the 4 winds. Run and them off the pan blood clot. Fake page a type up. Move on the dibby. As the woman say, move on the blood clot on the weakest link. And to know Puss come into 2021 with it's not going to end good. Puss eggs, Mr. Auntie Paulette, my New Year's catch me asleep in a peace and harmony. I'ma tell myself me not doing this with her. Your time a come blood clot, Puss. Liquor by blood clot, liquor. Eh? Why you say you love the man? If me love rallying and me with the blood clot, me and rallying family them kick off. I'm a cuss, I'm a talk, I'm a done. I'm gonna deal with them, but me now get up and talk about his mother and his sister them. I'm not doing it. I'm not. You get up, you're deaf on my mother. You tell some blood clot lie yesterday. Or the woman want poison her son. Or the fucking woman for poison her blood clot belly pain. Eh? Fuck out of here, man. Full time you for done your blood clot fucking now, man. And they had the cheek for you come and see a me blood clot trouble. You mean that trouble you? Are you there, pa? Are you there, pa, me? Me not trouble you. You understand? For you hear the man say, I go visit. Remember, I know the reader woman coming in your yard in a post. And the woman warn you, you know. Like I saw your fucking brains. Like your head so tough. Like a spiritual woman come and the woman say, death, death. You go see a nearly blood clot drown. And you have him up and down and what your man a say. And me and my mother work blood clot what a sin. God a punish him.
Sometime. I must send them to send it to me too.
God a punish him. Him fucking mother. When disrespect and make people disrespect him mother.